Are you ready to unlock the secret power of avocados? If you're in the 50+ age bracket, this video could be a game changer for you. Imagine a solitary, creamy fruit capable of enhancing your brain power, fortifying your bones, and enhancing your vision. It might sound like a plot from a futuristic film, but get ready for a pleasant surprise. Tune in as we uncover the 5 unexpected health advantages of consuming one avocado daily for those over 50. Believe us, you'll be rushing to the store for a ripe avocado after discovering these remarkable facts. So, get ready and let's delve into it. Boosting brain health. First on our lineup is brain health. As we age, it's natural for cognitive abilities to decline. But fear not, avocados are here to come to the rescue. These vibrant green fruits are loaded with monounsaturated fats, which play a pivotal role in keeping your mind sharp and focused. You might be wondering how avocados can have such a profound impact. Well, according to a study published in the journal Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience, monounsaturated fats aid in enhancing blood flow to the brain. This heightened circulation allows your brain to receive the necessary oxygen and nutrients to function optimally, making it easier for you to remain mentally alert and engaged. But hold on, there's more. Avocados are also abundant in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant crucial for maintaining healthy brain function. In fact, a study from the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease discovered that a high intake of vitamin E is associated with a reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease in older adults. Isn't that remarkable? So, how can you integrate avocados into your daily regimen to enhance your brain health? Here are some handy tips to incorporate avocados into your daily routine. Kickstart your day with a delightful avocado toast. Mash up a ripe avocado and spread it onto whole grain toast. Sprinkle some sea salt, black pepper, and chili flakes for an extra zing. Add avocados to your salads or sandwiches. Dice up some avocado and toss it into your favorite salad, or layer it onto your sandwich for a creamy, brain-boosting addition. Blend avocados into your smoothies for a luxuriously creamy texture. Try adding half an avocado to your morning smoothie. It not only enhances brain health but also provides a dose of healthy fats and fiber. With these simple and tasty ideas, you'll be well on your way to enhancing your brain health with the incredible power of avocados. Here's to a sharper, more focused mind. Bone health. Next, let's talk about bone strength. As we age, maintaining strong and healthy bones becomes increasingly crucial. And guess what? Avocados are here to assist. These velvety fruits are an excellent source of vitamin K, a vital nutrient for bone health. You might wonder how exactly avocados contribute to stronger bones. Well, vitamin K aids in enhancing calcium absorption and works synergistically with vitamin D to ensure that calcium is properly deposited in your bones. As per research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, maintaining sufficient intake of vitamin K is linked to a decreased risk of bone fractures among older adults. Another study featured in the Archives of Internal Medicine discovered that consuming daily servings of vitamin K-rich foods, such as avocados, can notably lower the risk of osteoporosis in individuals over the age of 50. Therefore, integrating avocados into your diet can contribute to the development of stronger, healthier bones as you age. Improving heart health. Next, let's delve into the topic of heart health. When it comes to maintaining optimal cardiovascular health, avocados emerge as your heart's greatest ally. These versatile fruits are brimming with nutrients that promote heart health, making them an indispensable addition to your diet. One of the heart-healthy nutrients abundant in avocados is potassium. This vital mineral plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. A study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association unveiled that a potassium-rich diet is linked to a decreased risk of stroke and heart disease, particularly among older adults. But there's more to avocados' heart-friendly profile. They are also rich in monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. These healthy fats aid in lowering levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, while simultaneously boosting levels of good cholesterol, HDL. According to research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, a diet abundant in monounsaturated fats can substantially diminish the risk of heart disease. Are you ready to pamper your heart with a delectable and nutritious avocado snack? Here are some practical tips. Incorporate avocado into your sandwiches. Swap out mayonnaise or other spreads with avocado for a heart-healthy alternative. Its creamy texture and rich flavor will take your sandwich experience to a whole new level. Whip up a heart-healthy avocado and tomato salad. Combine diced avocados, tomatoes, red onions, cilantro, and a drizzle of olive oil for a simple, refreshing, and heart-friendly salad that's perfect for any meal. Prepare a pasta sauce using avocado as the base by blending avocado, garlic, olive oil, lemon juice, and your preferred herbs. This results in a creamy and nourishing pasta sauce that not only delights the taste buds but also supports heart health. By incorporating these delightful avocado dishes into your meals, you're showing your heart the affection and attention it deserves. So, indulge in those avocados for a heart that's healthier and happier, enhancing your overall well-being. Digestive health. Let's now delve into the realm of digestion. Were you aware that avocados can work wonders for your gut health? Absolutely. These luscious fruits are brimming with dietary fiber, which is vital for maintaining a healthy digestive system. So, how exactly do avocados benefit your gut? A single avocado contains approximately 10 grams of fiber, making it an outstanding source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. According to a study published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology, a fiber-rich diet can aid in preventing constipation and ensuring smooth functioning of your digestive system. Moreover, the monounsaturated fats present in avocados play a pivotal role in nutrient absorption. A study from the Journal of Nutrition revealed that these healthy fats facilitate the absorption of essential nutrients, such as fat-soluble vitamins and antioxidants, from other foods. Are you ready to give your gut a boost with the nutritional power of avocados? Here are some ideas for you. Create an avocado and yogurt dip by blending mashed avocado with Greek yogurt, garlic, and your favorite herbs. This creamy and gut-friendly dip pairs perfectly with whole grain crackers or fresh veggies. Try an avocado and black bean wrap by filling a whole grain tortilla with mashed avocado, black beans, brown rice, and salsa. This fiber-rich and delightful meal will leave your digestive system content and satisfied. By incorporating these delightful avocado dishes into your diet, you'll provide your digestive system with the necessary support to stay in prime condition. So, don't hesitate to sprinkle a little avocado magic into your meals for a happier, healthier gut. Eye health. Lastly, let's address the importance of eye health. Were you aware that avocados are an excellent source of nutrients beneficial for your eyes? Absolutely. These green powerhouses contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two potent antioxidants crucial for maintaining optimal vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin play a pivotal role in shielding your eyes from age-related ailments like cataracts and macular degeneration. A study published in the British Journal of Ophthalmology revealed that a diet rich in lutein and zeaxanthin significantly reduces the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a prominent cause of vision impairment in older individuals. Furthermore, research in the American Journal of Epidemiology found that consumption of foods high in lutein and zeaxanthin, such as avocados, decreases the risk of cataracts, ensuring clear vision as you age. Ready to boost your eye health with avocados? Here are some suggestions for implementation. Blend up an avocado smoothie by combining avocado with your favorite fruits and a splash of almond milk for a creamy and delicious beverage that supports your eye health. Here's to maintaining your vision. Craft an avocado and spinach salad by tossing together baby spinach, avocado, cherry tomatoes, and a light vinaigrette for a nutrient-packed dish that's not only flavorful but also beneficial for your eyes. Try an avocado and egg scramble by sautéing diced avocado and your preferred veggies, then adding beaten eggs to create a nourishing breakfast that supports both your eyes and overall well-being. By incorporating these delectable avocado dishes into your diet, you'll provide your eyes with the essential nourishment they need to remain healthy and vibrant. So, relish those avocados and keep your eyes shining brightly. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.